Ever pondered the secret to crafting the perfect gin and tonic? The answer lies not only in the ingredients, but also in the love and attention you pour into the process. Today, in honor of International Gin and Tonic Day, we explore 5 distinct gin and tonic recipes to tickle your taste buds and elevate your mixology skills. Our first stop brings us to the classic gin and tonic. Begin by filling a highball glass with fresh, clear ice. Pour in 2 ounces of your favorite gin. London dry gin works a treat. Squeeze a wedge of lime to release its zesty essence, then drop that wedge into the glass. Top it off with 4 ounces of quality tonic water, and there you have it. Simplicity at its finest. Next up, we visit the aromatic world of the elderflower gin and tonic. Start by filling a glass with ice. Add 2 ounces of gin, a spoonful of elderflower cordial, and the juice of half a lime. Stir gently to mix. Top it all off with tonic water, and garnish with a slice of cucumber for a refreshing twist. Our third recipe transports us to the Mediterranean with the rosemary lemon gin and tonic. Begin with a glass filled with ice. Add 2 ounces of gin. Muddle a sprig of fresh rosemary and a slice of lemon in the glass. Pour in the tonic water, stir gently, and garnish with an additional sprig of rosemary. Next, we venture into the exotic with a cardamom and orange gin and tonic. Fill a glass with ice, add 2 ounces of gin, and sprinkle in 3 crushed cardamom pods. Squeeze in the juice of a quarter of an orange, then top with tonic water. Stir gently and garnish with an orange slice. Our final recipe is a blackberry and mint gin and tonic. Muddle fresh blackberries and mint leaves in a glass. Add ice, pour in 2 ounces of gin, and top with tonic water. Stir gently and garnish with an extra sprig of mint. In summary, we've journeyed through the world of gin and tonic, exploring 5 unique recipes. We started with the classic gin and tonic, moved on to the fragrant elderflower gin and tonic, ventured to the Mediterranean with a rosemary lemon gin and tonic, explored the exotic with a cardamom and orange gin and tonic, and ended our adventure with a refreshing blackberry and mint gin and tonic. Each recipe has its own charm, offering different layers of flavors to enjoy. Remember, the secret to the perfect gin and tonic is not just about the ingredients, but also the love and attention you pour into the process. So, whether you're a gin connoisseur or a mixology novice, these recipes are sure to impress. Happy mixing, and here's to celebrating International Gin and Tonic Day in style!